Hello, let's be creative and make something cute for this Christmas. I invite you to make this wreath with bell and tassel. So tiny but so easy to do. For the work I use metallized pink yarn 50 grams 100 meters and crochet hook 1.7. Let's make it together. Put the yarn around 3 fingers and make several twists. I will do around 7 or 8. Now grab the yarn, put the hook in, twist it and make sure you do secure it with a chain like that. Now work into this ring like over the padding cord, single crochet as many as you could. And continue till the end. I'm about to finish this row. Join into the first single crochet using slip stitch. All done. Now you can cut the yarn approximately 20 centimeters. Make the handle. You can just do it from this. Make the size you wish to do. Now grab the needle and put this tail into needle. My needle is ready. Turn it to the wrong side, secure it. I hope you enjoyed the video, have fun with your crochet projects and happy holidays to you and to your families. Thank you, bye bye.